many people are queuing to get inside the castle. I'm okay. I don't need to go inside because the emperor is not in there. I'll just go to Starbucks. On the other side of the castle, there's a beautiful, beautiful Starbucks. Oh my gosh, so many tourists on a rainy day, March 23rd, 2024. Not single one sakura tree is blooming. It's killing me. It makes me wanna cry. No one sakura is blooming. Where's Wayne?
Okay, video to.
Smiling in the rain. I love you, Osaka. I came here to see Sakura, but there's no one Sakura. Aishiteru.
Malapit na lang ako. Sandali. Sandali, Terry.
But when I'm way up here, it's so clear, and now I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, feeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a surprise. Every moment red letter. I forgot the lyrics. Para maharang, no? Maharang yung mga kalaban. Yung pa-video naman ako dito. In the rain. Ooh. Big tree. Ay, electric car. May ano, may takip.
Kaso, baka tayo sumakay dyan kasi ibang route kami.
Oh. When patuloy lang tong video.
Ay, 300. May hindi ko yung background.
Rain or rain. Rain or shine, Osaka. I'm looking for Sakura. Rain or shine. Shine. Show me some Sakura. Sakura, doko desu ka? Doko? May ano building to? What is that?